I'm just going to do a quick code review and give you the idea how this bot actually works. We'll just give it a minute to get the code on the screen. Okay. Yeah.
So apparently someone was able to DOS our internet connection. I don't know. But seems that the net is down right now. As soon as it comes, we'll do maybe again the demo or later.
Yeah, sure.
Well, sorry for this.
Okay, so this is a very simple implementation of the bot, and this one is implemented on top of PageLive, which is just a site that me and we've chosen earlier in the project. This site is actually similar in the structure, space being in other internet keywords, so you can guys check it out later. The bot here, as I said, it's not a very smart one because we not actually wanted to do anything malicious. We just wanted to have something that proves the point. So it has a different state, and the first state is what we call the installation state, just the bot trying to initialize himself. The second state is, of course, it doesn't have a private channel. As I said, Turbot is ideally inspired that every bot will have a private channel. In this case, it will begin to have a private channel, which means it will begin taking the entire space of the lobby that he's familiar with or program with, and every X minutes or X seconds, it will post a message. Now, in this very specific case, we're using an idea that borrowed from a different area, a communication area that's called spread spectrum. We're going to use the technique of spread spectrum to ensure that eventually the bot master will pick our message. This means that we're going to overly send the message every time, the same message, and even when the website will drop the message or erase it, we'll repeatedly do it over and over again. Now, of course, after there is a private channel setup, which means the bot master has to communicate with the bot on the private channel, therefore acknowledge the message, further commands will arrive from this private channel. So this is the entire lifespan of the bot. The bot goes online, trying to do an advertisement, trying to get the attention of the bot master, floating in that sense of the way, or spreading his message all over the lobby space. Of course, as I said, every bot chooses a randomly selected private room. In that case, there is no way for one computer to have idea what the other computer will be selected. So in that case, even if you're trying to trace down the network, or even if you're trying to actively sabotage the network, you will only be able to recover the lobby space and your own bot personal private room. It will have no implication and no association with other bots, which can be on even different reserves, depends on what they have programmed with. The bot itself is not very interactive. What is interactive is actually the Turbot master console. It's just a very simple CLI interface that we have made that will help us to get the idea of what we have. Basically, it's a mini terminal that can let you add bots. It can show you different statistics about your botnet. You can, of course, change some parameters if you want. It's not working right now, but maybe I can make a little walkthrough to the application. Well, as I said, the keys are going, one key going into the client, which is in that case the bot itself, and both of the keys are going into the master console. So the master always encrypts his message, and the bots all checking if the message are authenticated by their master. In this way, we guarantee that even if the botnet is running over third-party websites that we have no control of them, nobody will be able to take control over the botnet. There is nothing too interesting to show in the Turbot master console, but I will make a little walkthrough as it is. basically, we're writing this in some sort of a library way. So we have the direct implementation that calls Turbot as the actual bot, and we have Turbot actual master, and the major functions are actually in a separate library, which means you can use the technology or Turbot concept in different applications, not necessary for this one. Eventually, as I said, right now, the proof of concept and what we wanted, what we felt satisfied with, is a very simple chat application where you can run